Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading natin to for Libra. Ayan, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates, guys. Bale, hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. So, kung hindi ko makuha yan sa'yo, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo, okay? So, please do like and subscribe. And of course, ma-appreciate ko lahat ng comments and shares ninyo. Ayan. Hopefully mag-comment kayo kahit po heart-heart lang. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Natutuwa po ako sa mga nagko-comment, nagpapakita ng malaking suporta sa akin tsaka pagmamahal. Nagaganahan po ako mag-reading pag may mga comment. So, start na natin, guys, is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Eight of Pentacles, okay. Eight of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles, ayan. Meron pa palang isa. Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. And I feel like yung focus mo talaga is money, career, work. May something na nakikita ka na parang hindi nag-grow and parang you feel like kailangan mong like actionan or gawa ng parang like you're doing your best naman. Kaya lang it might be mas marami yung pagod kesa sa pwede hindi mo nararamdaman yung kita or hindi siya masyado nag-grow para sa'yo. So, and you want more, Seven of Cups. And pwede meron ka ng mga naiisip na gawain. So, yung iba kailangan mo lang ng tulong or what. And you want to make changes with the Wheel of Fortune. The Devil is here. So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, there's a toxic person, a narcissist person. Pwede may kinalaman sa career. Ang nakikitaan mo na parang mali or hindi okay or kaya hindi nag-work out or hindi nagiging maganda yung resulta ng isang career if it is because of this person. Pwedeng ganun. Parang siya yung sabihin na nating nasisisi mo or nakikita mong pinaka number one reason kung bakit parang gusto mong baguhin or i-end na yung isang bagay. Para sa'yo. So, sino mo itong person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? For Libra, please, person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. The Star is here. Five of Wands. Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Swords. Death card. Four of Wands is here. Honestly, nakikita ko to as a person na gustong-gusto mo. With the Star. But with the Five of Wands, masyadong complicated yung sa inyo. Five of Swords is here. So, pwedeng you're dealing with someone na may kakonect or karelasyon na iba. Maybe even marriage with the Four of Wands. Kaya parang, pwedeng nasasaktan ka or nalulungkot ka about this person, about sa connection ninyo, about sa situation ninyo. Parang feeling mo nag-end na or kung hindi ka to, this could be your person. Especially kung siya yung, especially kung eto kung sino yung umiiwas, siya yung nakaka-feel nito. No? Na parang ang hirap kasi may kakonect na, ganyan, tapos, ang sakit, nasasaktan siya eh. Tinatry niya mag-move on. I don't know, you're focused on money. Yun yung nakikita natin, development. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. So, maaaring ganun. Kaya siya umiiwas kasi kinoconsider niya yung maybe yung mararamdaman nung isang kakonect, whichever side. The Chariot, Two of Swords, like Queen of Cups. Nakaamoy nga pala ako ng coconut oil. This could be a reading. Or latte. Anyway, mahal mo tong taong to, kaya lang, with the Chariot, yung iba nga sa inyo kasi ikaw umiiwas ka, or kung hindi man, might be, ikaw yung nakikita natin na medyo mailap dito sa person na to. I mean, pwede kasing ang focus mo is yung realidad sa connection, and also realidad sa inyong dalawa. Yung iba, you could be a cross-watcher kasi ang pabalik-balik yung energy. May times nararamdaman kita dito sa kabila, may times nararamdaman kita dito sa energy na kinukuha na natin. But of course, take only what resonates. Emotion ng person ito para sa'yo. Judgment. This person is having a huge awakening. Judgment is like awakening card. So, nagkakaroon siya ng awakening. Death card is here. Yeah, death and rebirth. King of Cups. So, if you're the Queen of Cups, this person is the King of Cups. So, mahalin niyo ang isa't isa. But with the Five of Pentacles, feeling niya hindi siya welcome sa'yo. Or medyo mahirap ipilit dahil nakakadagdag pa dito yung ang dami niya kasing insecurities. Nakakadagdag pa yan dito sa connection na ito. Kung bakit siya ganyan. Nai-insecure siya. Mahal ka niya pero parang feeling niya the Five of Pentacles. Hindi ko masyado may offer sa ito na gusto kong i-offer. Wala akong lakas ng loob, tsaka kulang to, nakakahiya. More like insecurity. Na-insecure siya. Tsaka marami siyang obligasyon ngayon, nahihirapan siya. Near future energy para sa inyong dalawa. Yung energy kasi nito is that mahalin nyo ang isa't isa, kaya lang may pinagpo-focusan ka, may pinagpo-focusan siya, may mga priorities kayo. Three of Swords, Four of Cups, Justice card. Okay. Maraming card na lumabas. Wait lang ha. Six of Swords, Knight of Cups, Page of Swords, Page of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and the Lovers. Major Arcana, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Lovers. Bottom of the deck, Six of Pentacles, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Libra, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Honestly, any signs, energies lang naman yun. Gemini is here also with the Lovers. Three of Swords. Well, the moment na ikaw ay nagmo-move on sa isang situation, isang relationship, I can see a person in the past coming back, wanting to say sorry. Parang gusto niya mag-explain, mag-apologize, and mag-sorry, and like this person wants you back. Pero wala ka na kasing amor eh. Parang wala ka nang pakiramdam, or hindi mo na feel itong taong to. And with the Justice card, yeah, some of you, there's marriage. It could be an ex-wife, ex-husband kind of energy. Tapos parang gusto niya mag-say sorry or bumalik sa buhay mo, but then sinaktan ka na niya, tsaka hindi sabihin na natin minsan ka na naging tanga, parang hindi mo na para ulitin pa yon. Well, I can see a new person here, like maybe someone na medyo younger ang energy niya. Knight of Cups, nakakita tayo ng offer mula dito sa taong to. The Lovers, new offer of a relationship. And I can feel like, if ever na may communication connection na kayo with this person, mababago yung way ng pakikipag-connect, communicate niya sa'yo the moment na makita niya, or the moment na ikaw ay nag-move on, like pwedeng, pag nalaman niya na ikaw ay separated, or wala na talaga karelasyon, itong person na to biglang magre-resurface, and I feel like mas communicative siya. I feel like with the Six of Pentacles, magkakaroon ng pagtulong financially, and with the Three of Cups, gagamitin niya yung way na yun, yung pakikipag-connect sa'yo financially, kung paano mas makakalapit sa'yo. But the Magician is here, so nakita tayo dito ng like yung Magician kasi, this is showing to me as like literal na magikero. Yung iba yung ipinapakita niya sa totoong nararamdaman niya. And I feel like with the Four of Swords, yeah, this person might appear like the Four of Swords, parang patay. Parang sobrang cold. Ayan, as you can see, there's a woman here. It's like nakahiga siya, pero yung energy niya parang nakaburol na siya. So, parang patay, So, pwedeng ganun yung ipakita niya sa'yo. But definitely, this person is pwedeng, naghihintay lang siya ng tamang pagkakataon. Which is with the Ten of Pentacles, pag financially ready na siya, ganun. And this person is very patient. Gusto niya pag dadating siya or mag-appear siya sa buhay mo, yung may offer na siya na something solid sa'yo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.